He said no dirt roads, and that's all I could find.
Get over here. Yeah. Oh, you like my bike?
Going to Sturgis, baby. Get one of these here. Well, guys, we won best. Welcome to another day here at Sturgis Rally. I am in Sturgis at the Scoop Town Car Wash, and I just finished washing my bike with these gentlemen here. We're all doing the same thing. What's on the agenda for today is we're actually on the way to the V-Twin Visionary Bike Show right now. As you guys saw in the last video, I went to the Shifter Crew. I did not win, but there was a lot of bangers out there, so we're going to give it another shot. So for now, I'm 0-0. But this bike right here, we're gonna put it in there and just show it to everybody that comes to Sturgis. Those of you guys that care to see it, and yeah, so we're gonna be there. And you know, I have an idea. Why don't I just show you? You know, I'll show you how to get there. But I think what I'm gonna do is we're gonna have some fun in this video, and I'm gonna need your help. I'm gonna park the bike. I'm gonna wait till most of the bikes get there, and then I'm gonna go around and I'm gonna show you the bikes that are there, and you let me know which bike you think is the best. I don't care if it's the baggers, the dynos, whatever. You tell me what you like. I'm curious to see what you guys like, and yeah. So just let me know in the comments. So that's what we're gonna do today. And after that, I don't know, but I think we'll probably party downtown Sturgis or go to Rapids or somewhere like that. But either way, welcome back, and let's go have some fun. I always love seeing everybody to get their Sturgis picture taken, man. I love that. That's just amazing, man. I remember my first time here to Sturgis. It was at that same sign. And of course, you saw last time, tons of traffic to get there, but we're gonna go. We are here. Going to Sturgis, baby. They're doing something behind me. I don't know what. I don't know what they're gonna do. But yep, it is a busy day here in Sturgis downtown. And look, there's all this parking right here. All this parking right here. Oh, I guess no parking there. We made it here. We register. Oh, I think the pen fell right there. It's right there. We get one of these here. But yeah, we have a bunch of very nice bikes, and we'll see who's gonna, you know, get a little something on the way out. But it's all in good spirits. So Best Motor Sturgis. We got these here. And yeah, man. And the OG, we parked it over there. I try to park it in the sun so that way people can see it. But yeah, so we're gonna be right here. Yeah, I think they said they're gonna announce the awards at 3 or 3:30, so that'll be pretty cool. But yeah. And here we parked it. Here we parked it, man. Look at that. Flag is flaking. So I left the bikes there. I left the bikes here because your boy got so excited that I just forgot to eat. Imagine that. So I'm gonna go eat here at the, you know, the place I kind of like, which is right down the road here, the Loud American. So we are back from lunch, and so now we're gonna go. I think it's gonna be. These are gonna be pretty much the bikes are gonna be here. So now, well, you guys know what my bike looks like. So let's start over here, and you guys let me know which bikes you like. These bikes here from Forever Ride, killer, man. This brown one here, yeah, just look at that, man. And then there are turbos over here. So again, so we're gonna have a little bit of fun, and we're gonna see which one you guys like. There's obviously mine. You guys see that? And then again from Steve Chamberlain. Oh yeah, it's pretty cool here. Steph Price is pretty cool. Haven't met her yet, but yeah, man. See here. We're gonna see which bikes. I'm actually kind of shopping for floorboards too, so I'm trying to see what's going on. Look at that, huh? I like it. Maniac right here. Oh, look at the gold on this. Wait. red wheels. The painted carbon wheels. Nice. Look at that. Very nice. Look at that. Tennessee. Right here, baby. I like it. My boy's turbo right here. From another cycle. A fellow Houston Texan. My man here from came in from Houston too. And I like that he has right here Charlie Brown, H-Town in the house. And look at this here. Very nice, very nice. Oh, my boys right here from Thunder Max. Clean Moto in the house. Clean Moto in the house. Won the Bex FXR. Congratulations again. Dude, these are bangers, dude. Look at this. Look at that. Bangers, man. Everybody brought it out this year, man. Man, you can get some drinks here. Let's see over here. Let's look at this one here. Alright, that's what I say. Oh, look at this paint job. This is pretty, dude. Stage 4 heads I see in there. Peeking, peeking, peeking. I like the wheels too. ARP bolts, I believe, down there. A copper paint CBO done up. I like it. My girl Kay. I see she rides her stuff, man. I appreciate that. It looks really, really nice. Oh, we got Thupper here. Oh yeah, look at that. Fellow Texan. Texas, like it. Dwayne with his beautiful bike, man. Look at that paint. And then this one here. And then Tennessee Rise right there. Killing it, man. Killed it. Bike here. So let me know which one you guys think is the nicer one. Guys, I'm walking around and I just totally overlooked these bikes over here. Look at this, man. I like it. You know, I'm a fan of Trask as well. I got a Trask bike. Look at this, man. It's pretty.
Oh, fine. I ain't doing my job right. Also, definitely make sure that everybody that does paint is heralded about what they do. This bike came out of nowhere, man. It's from Parker, Colorado. It's Justin Muller's bike, man. Let's just talk about all the way across the board. I'm sure he's out doing stuff. We'll talk to him later if he shows up. If not, man, I'll get over here.
Yeah,
oh, you like my bike?
Yeah.
I said your name.
Well, guys, we won best paint. We won best paint here, and man, let me tell you, bangers. But don't forget to let me know which one you guys like, man. Which bike you guys like the most. But here it is. After the V-Twin Visionary Show, where we were fortunate enough to win the best paint job, Jace and I linked up, ate some food, and then from there, Jace found a spot to go take some pictures of the motorcycle, and he asked me where I wanted to go or anywhere specific. I said, brother, I trust you. Anywhere you want to go is fine by me. However, just not on the dirt road because I had just finished really washing my motorcycle. As it turns out, the best location that we found was on a dirt road. But hey, sometimes you gotta sacrifice a little bit. And so we took the bike on the dirt road, found an amazing place to take some pictures. And well, you'll just see where we took the pictures. It's gonna be stunning, and I cannot wait to see the finished product from Jace. We left Sturgis and we came over here at this back road that is just beautiful. It's stunning. Just look at the mountains in the background. Look at Jace's bike, and he's over there taking pictures of the OG, because that's what I'm going to be calling it, and doing his thing. And just look at the angle that he selected to pick the right angle that the sun just hits it, and hopefully it comes out here. It got dusty, huh?
Yeah, it got a little dusty, man. My bad.
No.
I'm sorry, guys. He said no dirt roads, and that's all I could find.
Hey, but this money shot, though, wouldn't you agree?
Dude, having the background like this,
Yeah.
Can't beat it.
Yeah, no, dude. I'm just trying to see if the flake, because I feel like this is like the perfect angle. We'll see it in the video, I guess, when we publish the video, man. After we took the pictures, we hit the road again, and we went to this other spot that Jay's found, which was a beautiful, epic place with open road and a beautiful scenery behind me. But let me tell you, Jay's continues to impress me. While he's riding his custom FXR, he's also taking the pictures and moving back and forth, and I just can't wait to see what these pictures look like. But again, it was such a pleasure and joy to see Jace do his thing. And that does it for today's video. I got a couple more dropping here pretty soon, also from Sturgis, and they're going to be epic, just like this one was. Nonetheless, if you like this content, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Until then, I'm going to leave you guys with the rest of the footage here because it's just nice riding footage. You guys have a good one and be safe.